wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. To my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the perfect homemade coconut milk. So guys, stay tuned and let's get started. To begin, I have one coconut. So I'll go ahead and break it to remove the water, okay? Then I continue to take out the coconut from the shell. Next, that's the water I got from the coconut, okay? Yeah, as you can see, we are done taking out the shell from the coconut. So the next, this is totally optional. Go ahead and give it a properly wash, just the way you are seeing here on the screen.
Enjoy yourself, Otabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on.
And now we are done washing the coconut. Can you see how clean it is? So the next, I went ahead to peel off the bark or skin of the coconut. The reason I am peeling this off is to avoid discoloration, because I want my coconuts to come out white. If you have washed up to this point, it means you like and love our recipes. Please subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. As you can see here, I'm using both the knife and the peeler, okay? So, let me know in the comment section which of them will work more faster for you. For me, I think I prefer the knife, yes, okay? So now, once you are done peeling off the skin, go ahead and cut into tiny pieces for an easy blend, okay?
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your.
As you can see here, we are done cutting the coconut into tiny pieces, okay? Then go ahead and transfer in our blender.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And there for put score we active. As long as it concern food, as long
Add some water.
as it concern belle, you know who to call. But you don't do what they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, Otabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on the
Cover and blend until it is smooth.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S.
As you can see here, the coconut is well blended. Now go ahead and transfer into a strainer bag. Squeeze out all the liquid thoroughly, okay? Once you are done squeezing out the juice or liquid out, now take out the chaff. You can dry this up and store and use it for your smoothies or dessert, okay? You can also discard this if you want. It all depends on your preference. So here is the extracted coconut milk, looking so spotless and creamy. Yeah, you can store this in your fridge for at least 3 days and can be used for smoothies, coconut rice, ice cream, and a whole lot of recipes you can think of, okay?
They rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. But whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, Mira's kitchen day for you.
This is very easy to make. It's more healthier and cost efficient too. You can try this out and trust me, you will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Remain blessed and see you in my next one. Bye.
As long as it cause I belle, you know who to call. Mobajodo. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to dey bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be.